I'm a city dog, and that's how I want it to be. I don't belong in the pack. Those are my friends. They're in trouble. I'm sorry. Yes, Alpha. I'm not leaving my long paws. Not yet. I have an idea. It's a good one, I promise. We're not leaving him in there. I'll go. Hey, look what we found. You let us go. We did nothing to you. Hey, look what I found. It's something amazing. Hello? Anybody? Stupid city dog. Quit it, before I hit you again. That was no howl. That was merely a yawn. If Sweet thinks he can be a good asset, then so be it. You don't tell me how to run my pack, you mutt! You better watch your back, city dog. I didn't do anything. I swear. Thanks. I guess that was a little rude of you, huh? Yeah, well, she's only higher than me because of my dumb paw. Keep up, city dog. I don't like being Omega. It sucks. I know someone has to do it, but it won't be me. So, you're gonna do that for me? Yes, Alpha. I don't want his food.